Good morning, dear students. Today, the topic of the class is open loop gain of a non inverting amplifier, or deriving the gain capital A of the non inverting amplifier without feedback. Look at the circuit diagram. Why the circuit is known as non inverting amplifier? In this configuration, input is applied to plus terminal of the op amp. Input Vin is applied to plus terminal of the op amp, and minus terminal, that is the inverting input terminal of the op amp, is grounded. The circuit is known as open loop because there is no interconnection between output back to the input. So it is known as open loop configuration or circuit without feedback. What is the open loop gain capital A definition? Capital A is equal to gain is equal to output by input. What is output voltage? V0. What is the input voltage of the op amp? VID. VID is known as difference input voltage, so which is written as A is equal to V0 by VID. What is VID? Difference input voltage. V1 minus V2. What is the voltage at V1? Vin. What's the voltage at V2? 0, because it's grounded. So what is VID equal to now? Vin. Substituting VID value as V in equation 1, we get capital A is equal to V0 by Vin. So the gain of a non-inverting amplifier without feedback is capital A is equal to V0 by Vin. On rearranging the terms, we get the output voltage equation V0 is equal to A times of Vin. So what we can conclude from the topic? This means the output voltage V0 is larger than the input voltage Vin by gain A. The output voltage is larger than the input voltage Vin by gain A and is in phase with the input voltage. So what is the gain of a non-inverting amplifier in open loop configuration? Capital A is equal to V0 by Vin. Thank you.